You know that traffic light on your street corner? The one you stare at every single day? Well, it's basically a 100-year-old piece of tech. But what if it's on the verge of a massive upgrade? What if that simple stoplight is about to get, well, incredibly smart? Okay, so take a look at this sketch. This is pretty much the blueprint for that exact upgrade. It outlines a completely new public safety device called the G2 Modern Traffic Signal System, or G2 MTSS for short. And let me tell you, this is not just a new light, no way. It's a total reimagining of how we manage traffic. To really wrap your head around the leap we're talking about, just think about your TV, right? Your old one, it just showed you what was on. But your new smart TV, it connects to the internet, it runs apps, and it actually responds to you. Well, this system does the exact same thing for the traffic light. It transforms it from a dumb timer into a truly intelligent, responsive device. So, what exactly makes this a smart TV for our streets? It's a fundamental shift in design, and it all starts with the hardware itself. The old light is honestly kind of a mess. You've got all these separate parts, bulbs, timers, controllers, all clumsily wired together, totally isolated and offline. But the G2 MTSS is completely different. It's one single integrated unit. It's got an AI brain inside, and it's always connected. You see? It's that smart TV architecture in action. So how does this all-in-one hardware actually pull us off? Let's unpack the unit and see what's inside. First up, the screen. Now, instead of 3 separate clunky bulbs for red, yellow, and green, the G2 MSS uses one single, seamless LED display. This thing houses all the signals, and it can even show pedestrian controls, which just makes it so much more versatile. All right, next up, every smart system needs eyes, right? So, a camera is embedded directly into the unit, and it's constantly watching the intersection. This live visual data, well, that's the fuel for every single decision the AI makes. But you might be thinking, what happens at night? How does it see in the dark? Well, for the AI to be able to work 24/7, the unit has its own forward-facing LED lights right on top. They light up the intersection, giving the camera a perfectly clear, consistent view, whether it's high noon or the middle of the night. And here's the really crucial point. The camera, those LED lights, the display, even its own internal battery, it's all packed inside one self-contained unit. You can say goodbye to those messy external controller boxes you see bolted to the pole. This is clean, it's efficient, and it truly is that all-in-one smart TV architecture we've been talking about. Okay, so we've got all this amazing integrated hardware. But how does the system actually, think? Well, this is where the AI comes in, turning all that raw data into smart decisions. The whole process is basically a continuous loop. The unit's camera captures a live feed of what's happening on the road. Then, the AI analyzes that feed, looking for traffic patterns, gaps, buildups, potential jams. And based on what it actually sees in real time, it executes traffic control, changing the lights intelligently, not just because of some dumb fixed timer. And really, that brings us to the ultimate goal here, AI-based congestion control. This system isn't just reacting to traffic, it's designed to predict and manage it, preventing jams before they even start. And for you, that means a lot less time stuck at a red light for absolutely no reason. But the real power of any smart device, right, is the network. The revolution isn't just having one smart signal, it's what happens when they all start talking to each other. And that's what's called an MTSS cluster. Just imagine a whole grid of these smart signals working together, in unison. One light can literally tell the next one down the road, hey, a big wave of cars is coming your way. And together they can coordinate to create green waves, moving traffic smoothly across the whole city, not just through one single intersection. So we're going from a simple timer to an AI-powered, networked grid. The traffic light is getting a truly massive upgrade. When you think about it, a network of cameras and AI brains on every corner creates this incredibly powerful citywide sensor grid. So the real question is, once our streets become this smart, what else could they do?